I look like a clown. What have you done to me?
Today, we will be making up our makeup for Valentine's Day, except you might not want to take our advice because we've never done it for Valentine's Day before. It's time for some more fun with Jay and Hun. I'm Jay. I'm Hun. Except we don't want to take our advice. Not her advice. Or hers. Let's dig in. Mini hair color comb. Eyeshadow. I think it goes on your eyes. Actually, your eyelids. Yeah, eyelids. Actually, I know that. Then nail polish and more nail polish. And lipstick goes on your lips. You can find links to most of these items in the description below. I'm going to do your makeup, Harm, and you're going to do mine. Would you like to go first? Yes. Come here. Give me. I got him. Okay, you got him. You look funny. That's all. Maybe you should do my hair and my eyes before you do my nails. Okay. I'm doing your eyes. No, that's hair. Hair. So there's green, which I'm not going to use on her. Purple, not going to use. Blue, which I'm not going to use. Orange, which I'm not going to use. Pink, which I'm not going to use. Red. You can use red on my hair? No. Which ones? Jay, if you want, you can decide which color.
How about we leave it blonde?
Nope. No, now you comb my hair with it. Okay.
Is it orange?
No, not yet. It's red.
It is. Oh, it is.
It looks pretty. And it looks pretty. Sadly. Come on.
Carrie, I don't want to see myself after this. No, you said you went to purple.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's just color Jaden's hair blue.
I'm doing your hair pink and purple. Like it or not.
Works a lot better when it's out of the blush.
Surprised you're not doing it red.
Because the blue fell out. If yours falls out, don't find an inconvenience. Just use it like that. Look, it looks good.
No, this is not good.
It looks good.
This is over. No, I want it to be over.
It's almost over.
Really?
It's
You're done?
over.
Yay!
Nope, it's not.
Oh, you said it was. You lied to me.
Look at this, Jay. Okay, I'll hold it here and you need to use chalk on it. Right here.
You're killing my hair.
Yes, I am.
No.
Eyeshadow. Close your eyes when I put it on. Wait, here's a fact. Close your eyes. Oh, is it gonna match my hair chalk? Or no?
No.
What color is it gonna be?
Actually,
Wait.
beautiful. This is beautiful. To me, it does. If I did it up here. Tell me what you think.
Now I will be doing Harmony's hair on the hair chalk. And it will be pink and purple.
Tell me this is just a dream.
It's not.
No!
Would you like some proof? Didn't you?
Do I look at it?
Oh.
Oh.
Great. Good.
Okay, I'm ready for the big reveal now.
And you're not. This is torture. I know it's terrible.
You ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Bring on the mirror,
Dad.
I look terrible.
Do you like how you look?
Kind of, but kind of not. Terrible.
But
I look like a clown. What have you done to me? Oh, what have you done to me? No!
happy Valentine's Day.
Good luck with your makeup. Don't do it like us.
Yeah.
If you follow our tips, then your boyfriend will probably drop you. This is a crime scene. I've contacted the sheriff.